Hey, what's going on? This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life. So today, you guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing here. I know one of the things that's sometimes popular to have as a creator is that perfect green screen. For those of you that don't know, I have a photo booth company or entertainment company, as well as I do YouTube videos. And so I don't know why I've been waiting so long to get a green screen, but I finally got one. And guess what, you guys? I'm gonna open it up, let you guys see me unbox it, as well as I'm going to put it together right here so you guys can see what it looks like once it's put together. And I'll talk about some of the specs and all that stuff, and you'll see what came in the box as I'm opening it up. But if you're new to this YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button down below. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. While you're here, hit the like button, leave a comment, hit the bell when you hit that subscribe button so you can be updated when I put out new videos. So let me tell you again what the name of this green screen is. It's called the WEMOSI green screen backdrop with a stand, and it says it's a 6 feet by 10 feet green backdrop green backdrop portable stand kit, and it says it's a polyester photography background with 3P spring clamps and 3P silver clamps for photo video studio. I don't know why I'm getting a little tongue twisted here. I need something to drink, y'all. But we're gonna go ahead, open this up, and we'll see what it looks like once it's set up. If I don't tear it up or something. Let's go ahead, you guys, and get this box open. Oh, and I forgot to tell you too, I'm going to put a link down below in the description. That'll be a link directly to Amazon. So if you want to purchase this exact green screen, you'll be able to do that by clicking that link down below. All right, let's go. Okay, so we got the whole thing set up on the stand, but the stand was just a little wobbly, kind of unstable. So I'm thinking when I use this, I might have to go another route and find another way to hang the actual green screen up. Besides using the stand, I might order a different stand. You see, it is very long. It's just that that stand doesn't go high enough, and it's just, like I said, unstable. But I will leave a link in the description for that green screen, as well as for another as well as for some other green screens. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below. Until next time, peace.